Welcome back to my channel. Regular Courtney. So you might be asking yourself, Courtney, why are you dressed like this? Well, today I'm going to show you guys what's in my doctor's bag, aka my purse. So to start off, I'm gonna take each piece out and tell you what they're used for and what class we use them in. So this is a stethoscope. We use this in visceral diagnosis. So visceral diagnosis, we do different tests for the organs. So for each different organ, we have a whole bunch of different palpation tests, auditory tests, just various things. So stethoscope is one thing. And then this fancy dancy coat, you may be wondering, what is this for? It's 3 times too big for me, so whoops. What? Really? You're so needy. So this coat is for 2 classes, bacteriology lab, where we go and look at bacteria under the microscope, classify them, different things, and urinary analysis, which we are online this quarter, so sadly didn't get to pee in a cup and analyze it, or draw somebody's blood and analyze it. Alright, so you might be wondering, what is this beautiful blue gown you got going on, Courtney? Well, this is for your motion palpation classes and ortho classes and VD, pretty much all of your hands-on classes. You're required to wear a gown, and then girls underneath, we don't wear bras so you can see the full back, and then shorts and stuff. It's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and see what is in our actual bag. So the very first thing I have is my iPad. I use this for everything. It's so handy, and I'll do a video on what I use for school stuff coming up. Next thing we have is a blood pressure cuff. So this is again used in visceral diagnosis. We learn how to take manual blood pressure, but nobody really does this in their practice. Cool. Ooh, what are these? Ooh. Well, this is really old chocolate that has caffeine in it that I used to be obsessed with, and I still don't know how I have it left, but I do. Not sponsored. Wish I was. So, this is called a neurological pinwheel, and we use this in ortho and in neurological diagnosis to it tests the myotomes and dermatomes of the skin, which correlate with different nerves and different nerve roots. So that's how we test those. Oh, a skin marking pencil. Ready? Mark. So we use this in motion palpation class. You'll be asked to mark a segment, and that'll be your very first one is your PSISs, which are the dimples in your back, and you'll be asked to mark them and locate them, and that's what you'll get graded on. We have some face shields. My friend Brooke actually got me this one, and it's beautiful. But yeah, any class that you have to lay down on a table, you have to bring your own face shield so you don't get all the nasty boogers on your face. Cool. We have 2 packs of pure gum, which are aspartame free and great. A beautiful rolling ruler, which is broken. But these are used in your x-ray classes, so toggle and x-ray analysis whenever you have an x-ray up and you have to measure it or do certain angles. I also don't have my protractor, which you use for drawing angles. I should have, though, These aren't graphite pencils. But you have to have a graphite pencil to draw on the x-rays. So these are just regular pencils though. We have some hand salve when your hands get crusty. Ooh, we have a measuring tape for orthopedic diagnosis, and I think we use this in neuro, maybe not. I haven't used it in neuro, just kidding. Orthopedic diagnosis to measure different limbs, different circumferences of muscles and stuff, and look for atrophy. Ooh, this is my favorite tool. But in school, we don't really learn like how it can be used to help tune your vibrational frequency, which you would think we would learn, but we don't. Ready, Cleo? Hold on, let me put it on you. Oh, you feel the vibration? Oh, tuning my cat. Okay, but this is called a tuning fork. And you basically, it is attuned to a certain frequency. This one's 128 hertz. You tap it and you can't hear it, but it has a vibration coming off of it. You use it for different sounds, mostly auditory stuff. That's a tuning fork. Got my Stunadi. Got my Apple Pencil. Ooh, this is my reflex hammer, and so this is what we use for reflexes. That's used in ortho and neuro. Got some chapstick. This is actually from Savannah, the company, which I love. And then we have a nail file, so handy. We have some Student Life Force is a group that I'm a part of, and we get business cards. So I pass these out to students that are looking at Life University, or we have different events that we're involved in that I pass these out at. And then I have some random dollar bills. I don't know where that came from, but I'm rich. And then last but not least, I have ortho test cards. Yay! So these just have, like, for example, the Nautilus test, and then we would have to know the positive is pain in sacroiliac region or lumbosacral region, or if pain radiates down the leg, indicating sacroiliac or lumbosacral lesion. Can't wait. And you know what? There's some mints in here, but that is the end of what's in my doctor's bag. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a crazy past couple weeks. I've been sick. I moved places. That's why I'm in this new location filming. So sorry it's taken a little bit for me to get a video up, but I love you all. Continue to stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace and blessings. I, again, still love hearing about your guys' journey and everything. So keep commenting and messaging me. I love you all.